Hey there, my lovers and friends. I'm back. I'm back. So, y'all, I am doing a new thing on my channel. And I am introducing what I'm calling 2-in-1s Get Ready With Me, where I'm actually doing some tries, new items that I'll be trying on myself and presenting to you. So hopefully you like this new format, and if you do, leave a comment below because I'll continue doing them. I have a whole bunch of them in store, and let's get into it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, my lovers. So here are the 3 items that I'll be trying in this special 2-in-1 Get Ready With Me. Number 1, I'm trying a new foundation. Went to Sephora and wanted to try the Nars Color Nars Sheer Glow Foundation. So I'm working from a sample. I'm also trying a synthetic unit called the Letty Wig by Equal Featress. And then I'm also trying some new lashes, Lily lashes in the style Miami. So the first wig we're trying, and Lord knows I'm so hyped and excited, is the Letty Wig by Equal Featress. I got this in the color 1B, and man, I am hyped for this wig, ladies. I wanted some big, voluptuous, sexy, va-va-voom hair. I did get it in a 1B. It comes in many different colors, and actually I did get this wig again already, so if you want to see it in another color, leave that down below as well. So as I unbox this wig, nothing too typical. It's super affordable. It comes with just a kind of a part. I believe it's a side part. Comes with 2 combs in the front near that side part, some lace. It does look like a cap where it's just sewn down tracks, and there is that comb in the back and adjustable straps. Typical $20, $25 wig construction. The hair texture was giving me all of my life too as well, ladies. I really call this like a yaki, but you can tell like this has to be like tons of hair, and I was just really impressed by that. So getting into my first impressions, I usually get every wig and I just try it on just to see like how it fits on my head. And whoa, do y'all see that? That's so cute. So as I was sharing that this is a side part, I was moving around to see if I could do it as a middle part. You can definitely get away with moving it to a middle part. So you do have some functionality, although the part does curve a little bit, but hey, do you, as I will be doing me. So now I have primed and prepped my face for the foundation. I got 2 colors from Sephora to try in the Sheer Glow. It was either the New Orleans or the Nars. I decided to go with the Nars. And now I'm going to apply it. I do simply like some dots all over my face to apply the foundation and try this new color. The reason why I'm so excited about Sheer Glow, it's not a full coverage foundation. But I like that it has UV protection, and I think that would be great for me particularly because I need some protection on my skin, you guys. It's pretty sensitive, my face. Once I apply all the dots to my face, I kind of blend it out with a stippling brush. I'm using this one from Real Techniques, and I have to say, I don't know if you guys have noticed the difference. I love how smooth and even it makes my face look. Like, it makes my face look so freaking flawless. I was so in love with this foundation and definitely plan to buy it. So this is a try it, and I'm going to buy it. The next segment, I'm just going my eye routine. I typically do my eyebrows, then my foundation, and I have the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. Listen, y'all, I don't know everything that what I'm doing, but I'm trying to just go for a very natural look. So that's what I'm using. I really do like that palette a lot, to be honest, and I did get it from one of my hauls. Check out my TJ Maxx and Marshall hauls in one of my previous videos. And so I'm just planning on, you know, giving it a try and using it today as I prep for my lashes. I also got those Lily lashes, that Miami style. That also was a TJ Maxx Marshalls buy as well. So I have not tried the official versions. I've tried like AliExpress replicas. So I'm really excited to see what the difference is and how this comes out as a part of my look. Now, folks are going to ask me about how do I apply my lashes. And look, y'all, I don't even have this down packed. So I really don't want to give out any tips, but please take a look. Maybe you do something similar. Maybe you have tips for me as I apply these lashes. If y'all been following me for a while, and if not, if you're new, something to know about me is I love cleaning up my eyes, and these lashes are it. And I can see why they're so daggone popular. So here is my face, and woo! Yes, even skin tone. Yes, lashes. Yes, natural everything. And I want you to stay tuned to see the full look with the wig. I got dressed and I am about to put on this Letty wig. So a couple things that I do, one is I adjust the size of the wig. I have a pretty small head, less than 21 inches circumference. I'm cutting off all of the, you know, extra packages and stuff. And then I'm also applying some powder foundation to the part. I'm going out for the day, and because I have on my wig cap, I like to put on that wig grip. As you just know, I don't want to be embarrassed by trying to snatch my wig off. As I'm putting the wig on, I noticed a little bit of line of demarcation. So this wig did not come with any lace to cut, which was great. And it had like some pseudo baby hair. Some of them were long or not, that I really needed to play with, so that it didn't look so like randomly out of nowhere or floating wig syndrome, easing into it. So I did apply some more concealer to the top of it to have that blend. And then I also got a spoolie and some Got to Be Glued spray to apply some like baby hairs or lay down kind of the edges of the wig. After I applied all of that, I tied my hair down for about 15 minutes to get that gel down, Got to Be Glued sprayed area, line of demarcation to kind of melt a little bit into my skin. And voila, I'm back, and I put on some accessories, some earrings, whatnot, and took off the head wrap, and here is my final look. My skin is literally glowing tons with that foundation. I'm in love. Love the lashes. I feel like they look good, but not like extra. And then this hair is just like, woo. Ladies, the volume, the thickness, I mean, look at it. It was a look that day. and I got a ton of compliments. So anyway, ladies, gentlemen, lovers, and friends, thanks for tuning in. If you love videos like this, please hit the thumbs up button, leave me a comment below. I have more of these coming, and thank you so much for watching.